Well, yung pagbibigay naman ng advice, hindi naman ito yung type na nagsasabi lang out of nowhere. Kasi, iba naman yung mga pinagdaanan ng mga tao. Iba yung dreams, iba yung goals. Pero like there's this one time we were in the plane, magkatabi kami, tapos tinanong niya about business. Because we wanted to put up business. So, nagbigay lang ako ng mga insights, ganyan. But, I also learned a lot from Jillian. Diba? Kasi, as you know, masayahin talaga siyang tao. So, ako kasi medyo nasa serious side. Siyempre, marami tayong mga gustong gawin sa buhay natin. Kaya minsan we tend to be serious. Pero si Jillian, parang she puts happiness with her work, which is nice. So parang minsan nakakahawa yung, again, like, smart person, like, na marami na siyang accomplishments, successful siya sa ginagawa niya, kasi feeling humble.
David, ano ba talaga yung pinaka-focus nito? Politics, tapos parang secondary lang yung goals between New York and
Yeah, I think secondary yung role. More than anything, pinatakal namin dito yung mga nangyayari sa bansa natin. Palagay ko yun talaga yung highlight na. Yeah, also like Maria Clara and Pulang Araw are there to do that kind of love. I'm really happy siyempre. Alam naman natin na marami rin audience yung you see yourself there. Nakakatuwa.
Last question na lang from me. Kasi parang, I'm not sure if it's become a trend. Parang napansin ko yung mga artista, di ba, they would parang invest in doing TV series. Meron ka rin bang, nakikita mo din ba yung sarili mo to produce a film or a TV series?
Na-invite na ako mag-invest, mag-produce ng sariling film. Pero syempre, alam ko kung palagay ko kung gagawin ko kasi baka hindi ko magampanan yung trabaho ko bilang artista. Kasi you would think about the budget, you would think about the costing, the operations, the logistics. So, how can I study my script? Diba? Dalawa, i-juggle mo. So, siguro in the future, kung hindi ako yung actor, pwede. Yeah, syempre, feeling ko maganda rin sa pakiramdam yung makagawa ka ng movie.
Thank you, Dave.
Kim, please join the cast. Siya po muli gaganap bilang Kyle dito sa Never Say Die. Pero handa na ba kayong lahat dahil sa February 2 na yan, Never Say Die sa GMA Prime. But now it's time for us for our Q&A. Magkwentuhan po muna tayo. This is a Q&A with a twist. Okay, so this is not your usual, one question from the press and then directed to a cast member. No, we'll put a twist on it at ganito po siya maglalaro. So we're calling this, to our cast, Never Say Die Moments. Okay, so I have here with me a set of real-life situations. Okay, so pwedeng tungkol sa personal life yung sharing ninyo o yung mga pwedeng naging challenges nyo sa show. Challenges that you encountered in the show. Ikikwento nyo po, our cast and directors, kung paano sila nagpakita ng never say die moments during these situations. Okay? Got it, Jisoo? Got it? Okay. So, all your NSD moments are never say die moments depending on the situation that you pick. Pero para po itong fast talk, di man po kasi Tito Boy, itatry ko maging si Tito Boy. Kailangan po kayo makasagot ng 1 minute. Ideally, 1 minute. Ayan. Para po medyo snappy yung magiging pagkwento natin dito. Para rin makakuha ng opportunity lahat. So, ready na? Cast ready? Got it. Of course, syempre kailangan yan. Syempre ang buhay ng mano po natin. Lalapitan ko na. Miss Jillian Ward. Sorry. Ayan, bumunod ka na.
At saka may heartbeat sound sa likod. Gawa na.
Ano yung nabunod mo?
Tsaka may heartbeat sounds kasi sa likod.
The biggest emotional risk risk I took while portraying this character? Siguro na medyo malapit sa akin yung story ni Joey na nag-separate kasi yung... Ay, sorry, medyo spoiler. Pero nag-separate kasi po yung parents ni Joey dito. So somehow, medyo naalala ko din yung mga times na pinagdadaanan ko yun with my parents. Pero I think also, Joey has helped me sort of overcome talaga yung mga lingering pang pain na nararamdaman ko from that situation. So, ayun naman. Hindi naman risk, more of healing siya for me.
Oh, diba?
Thank you po.
Thank you!
Diba? Pinag-isipan ko yun.
It's actually a risk kasi siyempre pag pumupunta ka dun sa mga moments na yun, siyempre medyo na refresh yung mga pakiramdam mo, di ba? Pero as you mentioned, it was more of a healing experience for you. Okay. Thank you, Jillian. Don't worry, we're just getting started. Parapan natin si Jillian Morgan. Ilan na brother siya kung susunod? David Dilago. Alimutan ko yung ligaw ko eh. Yan. Hindi, basahin mo muna. Okay, hardest thing he had to unlearn when doing this show.
Hardest thing I had to unlearn, siguro yung, I think I had this mannerism while acting na lagi ako nakaganyan. Tapos sinasabihan ako ni Miss Edlin na lagi nga daw ako nakaganon. Nakabuko yung bunganga. Kasi I feel like maybe in real life I'm like that, di ba? So I had to unlearn that. But still recovering from it dahil hindi naman ganun ka mabilis mag-break ang habits ng isang tao. But hopefully I'm getting there. Hopefully. Yeah. I think that's it.
Nice answer daw. Feeling mo ba, moving forward, na ano mo na siya, na ialis mo na yun, yun na yung magiging, hindi na nakanganga.
Hindi, kung titignan mo ang nakaganon to lang ako.
Ayan. So,
Diba?
hanggang pagtotoong buhay.
Yes.
Baka?
Wow.
Talaga.
Okay ba ito?
Hindi na to acting eh.
Okay.
Agree naman sila. David, thank you. Okay.
Salamat.
Susunod naman. Ito na. Nakatil talaga si Mr. Richard Yap. Sir Richard. Raffle to. Yung di na nga lang masyadong premyo. Yung premyo niyo kailangan niyo sumagot.
My question is, what, a moment when walking away would have been easier but I chose to stay.
Woo! Okay, Sir Richard. You gotta go deep into the vault.
Siguro, in terms of profession, but this was before I became an actor. I was working in a company pero na matagal na ako doon, but I wasn't very happy with what I was doing. But because of family and yung mga responsibilities, I chose to stay. So I stayed in that company for 22 years. That long. Before I figured out that it was time to go.
Wow! So sir, you're very patient.
Yes.
Grabe yun, grabe yung endurance mo dun sa situation na yun. Okay, thank you for sharing that, Sir Richard. Right, so medyo nag-open up na sila. Susunod naman si Mr. Raymart Santiago.